Hi, Francis. This is Brian. Welcome to BLP. Just quick questions, no? But for the viewers, please mention your name, your age, and the city that you will represent.
Hello everyone, I'm Francis Rivantos Manawat or you can call me Dos. And I am currently living here in Manila but I am representing the province of Pangasinan in the city of San Carlos.
Okay, and how young are you?
19.
19. Okay, batang-bata. So is this your first national competition?
This is
Okay, pero you joined local pageants.
my first and last province po, municipality.
Municipality. Okay, so what made you decide na sumali sa Misters of Filipinas?
Actually, I'm a part of a non-profitable organization that JCI Makati, or the JCs in short, that provides a help to other people, such the children with HIV and cancer, that provides sustainability. And I want to help myself and other people by gathering with our brothers, like this kind of prestigious pageant that you create friendship. And yes, by creating a friendship is creating too a help for other people.
Okay, so ready ka na ba for the competition?
As po, I'm sure.
How did you prepare?
Actually, wala namang importante na preparation. It's just, siguro, piniprepare ko yung mind and body ko to surpass the challenges here in prestigious pageant, the Misters of Filipinas.
And meron ka bang team to help you, advisors, or solo lang?
I have my friends, of course, and my talent agency, which is the Frontage Talent.
Okay, and kasi mahirap maging candidate ng isang pageant. It takes a lot of discipline. What will keep you going na to keep working out, avoiding food na hindi healthy sa'yo, to be mentally stable?
Really
Okay,
good.
what will keep you going?
Actually, nasa sa'yo na yun eh. And to be true to yourself, it will really helps you a lot. Because being true to yourself will give you and will get you to your dreams.
Okay, ano sa tingin mo yung sang aspects mo pa dapat ka mag-focus for your preparation sa competition? Like, meron kasing physical, may Q&A, may pasarela. So, saan sa tatlo yung kailangan mo pang tutukan?
Actually, honestly, to my answers and the questions. And of course, actually my body too. I really need to work out at both.
All right. Okay. And for my last question, what do you think is your edge sa ibang
Actually, my
candidates?
edge is I have so many non-profitable organizations project that I joined already, and not only in that specific kind of area, but also in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And it gives me strength to see the people that I am helping, that person who in need, of course. And it really gives me a smile and strength to fight this kind of competition.
All right. Thank you so
Thank you so much
much.
po.
And good luck on your pageant journey.
Thank you po.